20 years ago, I was part of a small Boston-based startup looking for a CAD tool that created parts, assemblies, and drawings, and maybe some photo rendering. In 1998, SOLIDWORKS was pretty impressive, but it's nowhere near what SOLIDWORKS can do today. In the past 20 years, as a user, sales rep, and most of all, as a fan of SOLIDWORKS, I have seen firsthand SOLIDWORKS transform from a CAD tool to a soup-to-nuts design platform. The product offering is so massive that sometimes you don't even know what you already own. The Concept to Consumer Roadshow features our top technical folks from SOLIDWORKS Corporate to show you how the iconic URB-e scooter went from a napkin sketch to a shipping product in 6 months. During our time together, you'll see how product suites that you already own, or might want to own, can accelerate your time to market. I've seen a lot of technical demos in my 2 decades in the SOLIDWORKS community, but I've never seen an all-in-one demo that includes kinematics, project management, data management, FEA, model-based engineering, surfacing, plastics design and validation, CAM, inspection, sheet metal conversion, technical publications, and circuit board design and placement. All in one demo, all on one product. Be sure you come to Devens, Massachusetts on April 2nd. Click the link to register, and we'll see you there.